Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to make egg-free chocolate chip and potato chip cookies. First you want to start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we can start chopping the chocolate. I'm using 100 grams of milk chocolate and 100 grams of semi-sweet chocolate, but you can use whichever one you like best. Don't go crazy and turn it into chocolate dust. Chunks are our friends with this. Now we can make the cookie dough by putting 140 grams of dark brown sugar. I'm using dark muscavado sugar, it just has a little bit of extra flavor. 95 grams granulated sugar, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla extract, and 110 grams of melted butter in a bowl, and mix it to break up any lumps in the sugar. Add the equivalent to 1 whole egg of egg replacement. I'm using Bob's Red Mill egg replacement. Whisk it together for 1 to 2 minutes or until ribbons form in the mix. I'll have a full recipe in the box below. Once you're done whisking, grab a spatula to fold in the flour and baking soda. This is the key to not have cakey cookies. Keep folding it until the flour is incorporated. Don't worry if you see a little bit of flour still, it'll hydrate itself pretty quickly. Next you want to add your chocolate and fold it into the cookie dough. For the potato chips, you want to crush up 50 grams of a thicker chip like a kettle cooked chip with sea salt. The thin chips don't work as well for this. If you don't use the chips, add 1.5 teaspoons of salt to the recipe. Portion the cookie dough to 50 grams apiece or use a 2-ounce portion scoop and put on a baking sheet lined with either parchment paper or a silpat. Bake the cookies for 13 minutes and let cool on the baking tray when they're done. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're making my recipes, tag me on my Instagram at a chef and a spoon. See you next time.